Today we're installing a Nordic roof. It's a Class 4 impact-resistant shingle. Also has high wind warranty. To maintain our Craftsman Premier warranties with IKO, they guarantee our roofs for the lifetime of the roof at least. Because of the volume we do and because we use all IKO products. We use IKO Storm Shield for ice and water on the eaves and in the valleys. And we use their synthetic underlayment as well for the remainder of the roof. We have to use the IKO Leading Edge Plus starter, their hip and ridge, and obviously their shingles.